from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Colorcast Designs where I am going to be using this acrylic piece that is called Hello December. Now I am pairing it up with a couple things. One is today is also off the board where with pineapple papers where we go ahead and look on our Pinterest for inspiration to do a layout. And I'll link that up here on top. You'll see the photo. And it is from what is called finger pointing. It's gallery standouts, but I'm not sure exactly who actually made it. But I can tell that it's a digital layout, and I'm going to turn it into a physical layout, obviously. The kit that I am using is from the Scrap Room December 2023 flavor of the month, and it's going to be the 49 in Market Christmas Spectacular. That is the collection I am going to be using with this for this layout, and then this is the piece that I'm going to do. I am going to link down everything with Merry Everything that they have left, and hopefully you can find something. I know that the collection for this year went really, really quick. And a lot of the pieces that I've used is not there, but there are still tons of pieces left that you could be able to purchase, and make sure that you go ahead and get them done. Now, I know that this is being released after the December 25 collection that goes out for the month of for January. So that is also available. The acrylic subscription is what I would get every month, and I absolutely love the acrylic piece. That's how I was able to get quite a bit of what I've been working with throughout the year since I got her very first one. I can't even remember what kit I got it when I first got hers, but I absolutely love it. And I have yet I'm stacking up a stash here at this point. But this is a photo that I'm going to use. This is going to be my cover page for 2022's December Documented. And I decided this year I'm going to use this as my photo to start out my layouts instead of it being at the end. I decided that. So I did get out the sequence mix from Spiegel Mom Scraps. That's festive. That matches this pretty well. I did get, these are the two pieces that I got for part of the kit along with these layouts. And then I am going to roll with the black soot. I'm going to use my little brayer here and we're going to do some rolling. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so here I get started with going through, I'm going to do my distressing and all of that stuff. The kit that I am using is one of the kits, like I said, is from the Scrap Room. And I'm not one to purchase quite a bit from 49 in Market, but I have to say that since I've been getting the Scrap Room's collection or kits, I think for now going on a year and a half, I think it'll be 2 years here shortly. I know that. I think I started it in July. And it'll be 2 years in July come this coming year. And they do a lot with 49 in Market. And I do enjoy their paper. I did not realize how thick their paper is. And I'm pretty sure that with my mixed media, what I feel like my mixed media background, that it would be a really good foundational paper to do some mixed media on because it's pretty thick. I do have to enjoy the fact that they do a really good job on their papers. I just have never really gravitated towards them. But it's not that I don't like their papers. It's just it's a lot of times I have a hard time trying to get with their embellishments because they're very full of, florals and stuff. But I do enjoy this. So in the sketch, or in the layout that I'm following, there is some mixed media, and I thought I'd get out my brayer and some black soot because there's black in this collection, which is what I love. It's not a normal color that you see in collections, and I really like that feel of it. So I did make sure that I had that peeking out, And then I did get some rub-ons. Now, the rub-ons was part of the... I think it was part of the... I ended up getting the mixed, like the mixed embellishment kit, like the extra embellishment kit, and that's where the rub-ons came in. And it worked out well for this because you'll see me peek through. There are certain little spots that she has embellishments on, and then I use the rub-ons for like the background starting of it, and then I add some stuff to it. Now, I am going to back my photo up on some foam tape. I did play around with some of the embellishments. I really like that it came with this big circle because the layout that is up there in the corner has a doily. So I was like, ooh, this is perfect. I don't have to get out a doily. And then I clustered some of the paper embellishments. Now, I have to say, their embellishments are just as thick as their regular embellishments. I'm not talking like their cardstock ones or like the chipboard ones, but their regular embellishments are just as thick. And I'm really enjoying this collection. Like, it's pretty awesome. My next layout that I am going to do that's going to be up this week as well is going to be mixed with Simple Stories. You guys have already seen me use that collection once already. I'm going to mix it because I like the blues and the greens that are mixing. The color choices are pretty good. And then that way I can kind of use up some of that other chipboard that was in there. I'm still getting over the flu. My voice is better, but I'm still tired. But it's getting there. It's getting better. So make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below for Off the Board. Off the Board has, there's always a ton of us going through that, and we have been doing this now, I feel like, for years at this point. And then make sure that you go check out the Colorcast Designs collection. I will link down the Mary Everything. There isn't quite a bit of it left now. But her new release is going out that has been released as of yesterday because this is going up on Wednesday. So make sure you go check that out because let me tell you, I know I purchased some extras. I'm part of her design team going into 2024 and I get the acrylic monthly kit, and that's what started me getting her stuff in because I really love her acrylic pieces. They're not thick. They're easy to put on. They work with just about anything that you're wanting it to work on. And I just really love her style of how she does her her acrylic pieces and her wood pieces. Her wood veneer pieces are very thin as well. And I really like that. So I'm kind of going through my little bin that I have for my Spiegel Mom scraps because I wanted to put some sparkle in there. So I added just the pink out of this one. And this one's called Festive. And then that rounds that out. So make sure that you go check out everything. Everything will be linked down below. I can't wait to see what you guys do with your Pinterest boards or any of the Colorcast designs. Make sure that you tag me or put in a comment of what you do with them. I would love to see what you do with your acrylic pieces. I'm always intrigued on how everybody else's uses these types of pieces as their titles. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I am trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. That is like one of my goals for the year. I got to close to 3,500 for this past year, and I would like to round out, hopefully in 2024, to get to 4,000. That would be awesome. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure you check out everybody else. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.